Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Blueberry Octopus Brainrot Animal. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off at the top and let's draw a curve across. Then for the ends, let's curve it up and in. Now let's draw an angle down from both sides and angle it up to a point in the center. Now on both sides, let's add another small point behind like this. Now let's hop down and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's draw two large curves down and in. And then close it off at the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's draw two large circles for the eyes. And then another circle inside the top corners of each one. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and let's draw the tentacles. Let's start underneath on the left and let's draw a curve down, wave it out, and back in. And the same thing on the right side. Now from the bottom, let's draw a curve up. Now let's hop back under the head and let's draw a line down in the center. And then from the bottom, let's curve it out. And the same on the right. Now inside each one, let's draw another wavy line at the bottom and bring it up to the center. And then inside the bottom section, let's draw a bunch of ovals. Now we're going to hop out and we're going to draw another set of tentacles behind this one. Let's start under the head on the left and let's draw another wavy line out and curve it in. And the same on the right side. Now at the end, let's add another curve up and in. And add two ovals inside the bottom section. Now let's move up and let's draw one more set behind. Let's start with two wavy lines out, like this. And then a wavy line back in underneath. Now inside each one, let's add another one across the center. And again, let's add some ovals in the bottom section. And that's it for this blueberry octopus. Now let's quickly color it in. and done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!